This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. In a recent Coding's World article by Gary Shahan and Phil Phillips of Chaymark Consulting, they list the 4 faces of value being financial, strategic, market, and image. Whereas the financial and strategic seem obvious at first glance, they can sometimes be in conflict with each other when the vision is solely driven by financial acuity and not creative force through leadership. This top-down driven approach can limit the market value and image value of a company and how it's seen in the eyes of its peers and customers. According to Chaymark, using qualitative and quantitative analysis can help businesses understand their true market value to thrive as a company in the market. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.